So we're going to download some software called Fusion 360. So if you type that into your Google search, and it should pull up one of the first, if not the first result, Fusion 360, free software for students and educators. So we're going to click on that one, and that's going to take us to a page that looks like this. And if we just scroll down a little short distance on the page, get a free 3-year license, education license. Sign in or create account. Well, you're going to need to create an account unless you have an Autodesk account from something previously, and we'll find that out in a moment anyway. So if we click create account, it's going to ask us first of all where we are. So for that, we're obviously going to put in Hong Kong. So if I put HO, there you go, Hong Kong. And educational role, well, in your case, you'd click student. In my case, I'd click educator, but there you are. So you click student, and off you go. If you do that, in fact, on yours, it's going to ask you for date of birth. Now, you'll need to put in your date of birth being, I just say to people, you don't need to put in your exact date of birth. Put in January the 1st, 2004, because if we put in 2006, for example, it's going to come up saying we're not old enough. There you are. So Hong Kong student, January 1st, 2004. Click next. And then we're going to put in our first name, and you can use your proper name for this. When you put in your email, you're going to put in your school email account, okay? So you're at DC. I'm going to do something slightly different because I've already got an account set up at my DC mail account. So I need to do it to one that I don't have an account set up for. That's the only reason I'm putting this in. Otherwise, but for you, you put in your school email account, okay? Now, this is the point at which if you had an existing account, it would come up, okay? Sorry, what have I done there? It's got to be a 1, not a, oops, done it again, it's got to be a 1. So if you had an account previously at DC, it would come up here saying account already exists, log in which case you click log in or sign in and then follow the prompts from there. Anyway, we don't have one here, so I'm just going to set up my password, and I agree to the terms and conditions and create account. Now at that point, it's then going to send an email to your DC mail. So you're going to need to go onto your DC mail, and there you are. You've got an email from Autodesk. Verify your Autodesk account. Click OK, and open the email and verify that account. Now I wouldn't tick this box because it's going to start sending you emails which you don't really want. So just click done on that, and then the educational institution, what that means is your school, basically. So you're going to type in Discovery College, excuse me, where it says, oh, what happened there? Try that again. And it's a secondary school. The city is Hong Kong. State is Hong Kong, and we're going to add that. Okay, we're doing product design, that's fine. The month is February 2019, and that's the enrolled by when we're starting. Graduating, well, crikey, I can't think for you guys, 2025, and click next. Okay. Or graduations after February, let's say 2024 in that case, and click next. There you are, account set. Your account is now updated to access the Autodesk. Brilliant. So click continue, and We'll see what it comes up with now. So it sent us back to that first page. And so where we had sign in, create account, get access, we've now got get access. So I'm going to click on that. And it should, funnily enough, I had this the other day, there's a little bit of a pause on this, so I might actually stop the video and wait until that comes out. I'll stop the video and we will come back to this in a second. Anyway, if you've got that far, well done.